Hey everybody, if you're lucky enough to have the Shockwave S5 in your boat, congratulations. I'm sure it's a great back saver, though they are overpriced and the coating on them, it's garbage. I mean, look at all this bubbling. These are not that old. And they know it's garbage, and that's why they put this sticker on there that says wash me. Anyways, aside from that, you got the Shockwave 5 and your seat is in one spot forever. Unless you want to spend another $800 on the Shockwave seat adjuster and swivel. So no thanks. Try it a different way. You can get your seat to swivel for $15. That's right, 15 bucks. You see this baby? Get it. And then all you have to do is unbolt your seat and slip this baby in there and install. And that's what we're going to do. First step, unbolt the seat. Second step, take the seat off. There, it's off. Third step, like this side up. This side, yeah. Next step, mount this in there. These are very universal. See how it's a perfect fit? Okay. Fasten this baby on with some nice short fasteners, which I've got right here. I'm going to use those and some washers. Okay, once the swivel is on the seat, you got to put your seat on the platform, line it up with the 4 slots that you see, and then you're going to use a stick as your fingertips slide these bolts in there. You can use a little stick like that to tip the balance, and you'll tip the bolt and so it drops through, because your seat's going to be right here in the way. So we're going to do that now, and then we'll be right back. Okay, hardware's in place. Kind of recycling washers and whatnot. And your main focus is you want to make sure whatever you put on here that it clears when you get the other set of bolts that are come through here, because they're going to clash when this thing spins. So we'll just tighten this up, and we're about to set it on the base, and yeah, we're almost done. Hey, check it out. I wised up from the first chair and I went ahead and slipped in my fasteners because I've got such nice wide slots, it's not going to be a problem. Now I'm going to set it on there, and all I have to do is 4 nuts with some washers and we're done. Okay, it's on, it's done, and the point of this video is don't get tricked by some greedy Canadian company into thinking you need their swivel to mount on their overpriced shock absorbing seat mount. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please like it, and those shock absorbers aren't even worth the money in Canadian dollars. So